Hello there, this is Clone Brother Reviews, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can make a Purist Custom LEGO Young Uncle Owen. So without any further ado, let's get into this. Firstly, you're going to want any minifigure with this dark brown tousled hair. I don't have the one that's on the screen, it's just for an example. However, that's what you'll need. Next up, you're going to want to take the face from the Gar Saxon minifigure. Next, you'll take the body from this Resistance officer and spin the arms around so they're facing the other way. Finally, you'll want this green Mandalorian for those brown robes on blue legs. Overall, I really like the way this minifigure turned out. When I figured out I could use Gar Saxon's head, I got very excited, and I think it achieves what you see in the trailers quite well. This video should hopefully have released when Kenobi comes out, so be sure to leave a comment of what you thought of it. No spoilers though, because some people might not have seen it yet. With that said, thank you for watching today's video. I'm glad you made it this far through. If you aren't subscribed and you think maybe it's time, then go ahead and press that button. That would mean a lot to me. If you have any suggestions for any customs you'd like to see me do next, feel free to leave a comment down below and I should hopefully get back to you on that. And other than that, thank you for watching today. I will see you in the next video. Cheers everyone.